This is Luke Godzilla fan because I got these Toy Story collector. Bullet can open his helmet here and do this. The collection on his red toy tape and his leg move back and forth and do this. Sit down. Yeah, that's what it was. And now Jessie can remove her hat, rotates like this, twice like this, and I do this with this to Jessie. And now Jessie's hat has to be experiment. And this one can do this, right? Come on, Woody! Okay. Now for the alien. Alien do this. Don't leave this when his ears got broken. And now Potato Head does his arm do this. Puts his. That's what Potato Heads do. Okay, now Slinky do this. His head move back and forth, right? Okay. Now this time, this is Luke Godzilla fan. Bye.